Do you have a lot of food inside your bag?
Why do you always bring at least 3 pieces of bag? Why is that? Your questions will be answered now.
Hello everyone, my name is Riza and welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we will be doing a bag raid. I hope that you guys were excited about this.
A lot of people were asking me before when I was in the airport, or even the passengers were asking me, why do you always bring at least 2 or 3 bags every time you fly? So they see us in the airport carrying at least 3 bags, which is one is the handbag, we have a trolley, and we have a suitcase. So I'm gonna be telling you the reason why. Most of the time when you see us carrying 2 bags, for example like this, we have a handbag and a trolley bag. The moment you see us carrying this, it means that the flight is only a short haul flight or a medium haul flight. These flights doesn't require any layover. What is layover? It is when we get into the destination and we stay in the hotel for more than 24 hours, sometimes less. We need to rest, and then next day we will be coming back to the destination. So that's a layover. And why do we carry at least 3 pieces of bag? The reason is when a flight is a layover, you were just staying there for 24 hours or 1 day sometimes, but sometimes you stay there for 2 days, let's say 2 to 3 days, the longest. So the reason is that we need to put extra shoes, a lot of clothes, because sometimes it's winter, and we need to put the jacket, which is very bulky, and it cannot fit in our trolley bag. And trolley bag, there's a surprise that you will be surprised that a lot of things inside that is essential to the flight. A handbag can be carried like this, or sometimes you put it in the trolley bag like this. Because when we bring three kinds of bag in each flight, you cannot carry 3 with your 2 hands, of course. So we need to put it like this. It's very handy with a trolley. It's very convenient for us, you know. Especially airport walks are really long sometimes. What I love about this bag is that it has code where we can set our own codes to lock the bag, and it's also for protection. So yeah, like this. And it also has a crew tag, which means that it's for the crew. It says crew. Let's open my bag right now, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay, I know it looks very small when I hold it, but what's inside, it's like Doraemon's or Dora's bag. I don't know, it's full of useful stuff. So I'm gonna show it to you now. First that I have is my mirror. Very essential, 2-way mirror. I also have my notebook. This is where I write the flight information about where we are flying to, which aircraft are we using, who are the people I am working with, the captain's name, what was the service that we were doing, my position for the flight, am I doing the public announcement or not, how many infants, how many child, how many passengers in the business class, how many passengers in the economy class, and the flying time, of course, and the departure and the arrival time, and how many hours is our layover. So this one is really essential for me. It's also very cute. Third item is my wallet. Wallet where I have my cards and stuff. I also have a pen inside. I don't know why. Easier for me when I go to the bank. I always need a pen. Third item, it's not actually essential. I just use it for my free time whenever I am inside a crew bunk. Crew bunk is where we sleep during a long haul or an ultra long haul flight. So this is Sudoku activity kit. Third one is the headset, which I normally use when I was in the layover or when I am resting in the crew bunk. Headset. It's inside a pouch to make it look clean, and it will not get tangled inside my bag. Third one is my ID, and also my residency permit, 2-in-1. Next item is my religious wallet. Inside were a rosary, a medallion, and a novena. You know what I mean if you're a Catholic. Next item is my flight Flight documents. Next item is my flight documents. This is my competency card, my medical certificate, my crew member certificate. We have a lot of IDs. My pag-ibig ID. My health insurance ID. My another health insurance ID. And different IDs is here. And I have some papers here which is essential for the service. This is the aircraft safety equipment diagram, because we have a lot kinds of aircraft that we fly every day, so there's a lot of differences. So I need to have this copy every time I go for a flight. So because we were so forgetful, we are not superheroes to remember everything, right? Next item is the most important one, the passport. And passport was inside this tiny compartment because I can always keep it and it is more secured. So it's the first, that's what's inside the first compartment of my bag. Inside the passport compartment is also sort of sticky notes and papers essential for the service. And I'm down to the last compartment, which is my essentials. I have, it's not funny, but I have 10, I don't know if it's 10 pieces of pen inside my bag, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 pieces of pen and a pencil. Sometimes the customers, when they need to fill out some forms for their arrivals, they ask for a pen, and sometimes, most of the time, they never return it, so it's my gift for them. I got it from the hotels where we stayed. Next item is the OTP generator. One-time password. We have it also. Next item is my extra makeup or retouch. Sometimes, most of the time, I don't retouch because my makeup lasts for a long time. Even if I sleep, makeup is still there. Next item is flashlight. During night flights, we need to patrol the cabin every 30 minutes. And we need to see whether something is happening with the passengers or something's wrong or something good is happening. So we need to see that with a flashlight. Also to avoid hitting shoulders or feet of the customer. Next one is my plastic bag containing flags, liquid, aerosol, and gases stuff. You know what I mean? Oh, I have the wipes for the feminine area. I have the normal wipes. I have Lucas Pau Pau, which is the ointment that is very useful. I got it from Australia. I have alcohol. I have hand sanitizer. I have this moisturizer for the nails because flight is really dry. Even the flight is even short, it can make your whole body really dry. So you always need to moisturize yourself, all parts of your body. I also have a hand moisturizer. I have a mouthwash. I have a petroleum jelly. I have a small mirror. I don't know why. I have something for my nails. I don't know how it's called. I have a small comb. I have an extra lipstick. I have an eye drop. And the inhaler for the nose. So that's everything that is inside my handbag. Now it's empty. Now let's move on to the second bag, which is the trolley. We call it trolley. Like the handbag, we also have a crew bag in our trolley. So we will trolley. Let's open my trolley. So this is what it looks like inside my trolley bag. People were thinking that it's not full, but you can see it's full.
First item is my makeup kit. It contains my full set of makeup with this handy bag. So makeup. I have another bag inside my trolley bag. What is this for? We call it a night stop kit. It is when we need to do the deadheading. Deadheading means you're flying as a passenger and you're not doing any work. Next item is the dining jacket. So this is part of the uniform. We use this for service purposes and we cannot operate a flight without a dining jacket. So this is what we use when we were serving the customer their food, because we don't want to spoil our burgundy jacket or our white uniform, because we need to be presentable all the time and we need to look clean all the time. So this is for the service purposes. And next item is the cabin shoes. We put it on a separate bag because it's the dirtiest, I believe, in all of my items inside this trolley. So cabin shoes. When we start in the service, cabin shoes and the dining jacket is we wear it together. When the seatbelt sign is off, you will see us changing into this. Next item is an extra blouse and an extra stockings. A lot of flight is really tough and sometimes we get dirty. Sometimes it happened to me before, one customer puke in my clothes. Puke as in vomit in my clothes. Imagine, right? So I need to change, and it is for emergency use. Sometimes when our colleague needs an extra blouse, so we have it. Third item is very handy. This is called Plunky Kit. This is where the flight essentials are. So what's inside my Plunky Kit? I have a calculator to calculate how many meals we have in the flight when I am the galley operator. So here it is, calculator. I have an extra notebook to write the special meals of the customers. I have this eraser, pen eraser, extra pen, flashlight pen, it's not working right now. Another pen. I told you we have a lot of pen and we need the pen all the time. This paper. I have a tape. Kit for sewing, because we always, our uniform buttons were always loose, so we need to sew it. And some sticky notes again. So that's what's inside my Plunky Kit. And I also have another tape. I don't know, we need a lot of stuff. You think it's simple, but it's not. And outside my trolley is another compartment. I'm gonna show it to you. It's here. What's inside this one is my own medicine kit. I have this one, Salon Pass, paracetamol, BioFlu paracetamol again, plaster. Sometimes I have Lucas Pau Pau again because that ointment is really helpful for cuts and burns. I have this kit for shoe polishing, an extra earring, extra pin, extra name tag. Sometimes we lose it. And some reviewers, aircraft type, service reviewers, questions for the briefing. I have extra mask because now COVID, you know, we need to change for hygiene purposes. And that's all inside my trolley bag.
Now let's move on to the last bag, which is the biggest one, and which is, this one is not required in every flight. We only use this if we need to when we were going to the layover. It is the suitcase. So big, so heavy as well. So what's inside my suitcase? I gotta open for you. What's inside my suitcase? Jan! It's kinda messy. Most of the time, I leave my suitcase with a lot of space because when I do grocery outstation or outside our base, for example, I went to the Philippines and then I buy a lot of groceries. I leave it with a lot of space so that I can put my groceries here. First item inside my suitcase is a shopping bag. most of the time when I'm not able to roam around a destination or to visit the beautiful places, I just went to the grocery, and I always have a grocery bag because I don't want to use plastic bags most of the time. Second item is a handbag for the layovers. A handbag. I have few small bags here for my clothes. This one is for the jacket or the dirty clothes sometimes. This one is for my outfits for the layover, or my pajamas is also there. And third bag, small bag, is where I put my underwear, my swimsuit because I love swimming, and my accessories for the layover. I also have this bath kit where I have my shampoo, my conditioner, my shaving kit, my soap, hair gel, toothbrush, and toothpaste. I have also this one. This is a grooming and hygiene kit where I have my lotion inside, nice mist, a petroleum jelly, a deodorant, a UV spray, a lip balm, something for my face, moisturizers, makeup remover, cotton buds and stuff, all for the grooming and hygiene purposes. And one of the most important things that I need to bring in a flight is a travel charger adapter. So I have several kinds of it because different countries, different electricity adapter, I don't know how it's called. Yeah, it changes a lot of time. And inside is also containing my travel chargers and stuff. And I have extra shoes for jogging, for roaming around. And I have my slippers. And most of the time, my grocery items was all here because it cannot fit on my handbag and my travel bag. So that's it. And that's it for this video. I hope guys you like this vlog, and if you like it, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! I just want to give a shout out to my 51 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but I do appreciate it, guys. If you want me to recognize